Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this dryer lint vacuum attachment with brush. This is the vacuum hose. It has silicone at the end, so it fits any vacuum. As you can see, it's stretched. And then this is the brush. This is the dryer lint brush. It's flexible, you can fold it in any ways, and it could get all the lint out of your dryer. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to put this vacuum hose on the vacuum. You can see how the silicone is stretchy. There you go. And the vacuum hose is attached. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to be using this brush. I would recommend this product to anyone that wants to clean their filters, their dryer filters, or even their dryer vents. This vacuum attachment also works for the dryer vent. You can see there's some lint on my brush, but most of it went all the way to the bottom. And now I'm going to go with the vacuum and clean it all up. You can see there's a lot of lint in my dryer. Now I'm going to use the vacuum hose and I'm going to use the brush to get all this lint out. This is the regular vacuum attachment. As you can see, when I take that out, it barely fits and it doesn't go all the way down, so you can't get all the lint. As you can see, the vacuum hose attachment is connected, and now we're going to use it to clean up all the lint that we put on the bottom from the brush. The hose attachment is flat. It reaches all the way down. As you can see, it cleaned up all the lint on the bottom of the dryer. And you can see how much lint that it picked up. I would recommend this product to anyone that wants to clean their filters, their dryer filters, or even their dryer vents. This vacuum attachment also works for the dryer vents.